Project design for disassembly is about designing our products for a circular economy. Today, products are not designed for circularity. They are designed that we use them and then we throw them away. So we want to look at how we in the future can think about utilizing resources. So prevention of waste through a design strategy. So we look at products which are electronics and so forth, but they're embedded in plastic. Lots of our products are so today in everyday use. In the Design for Disassembly project, we are working together with some of the large Danish companies, the manufacturers, which are producing electronics and mechanics, which are embedded in plastic. So we have 3 companies that we are working with, and it's different product cases. From this, we are developing new methods for disassembly analysis. So we are working in the future for actually coming up with design guides and also design strategies. How can they develop their products for the future with the mind of circularity with the designers? You can only do that in collaboration. So that's why we've been out working together with the designers and the design engineers and mechanical engineers at the companies and developing these methods and also testing them. So when the project closes, they will actually have these methods and development to work themselves in the future. We can actually see and assess products in the way that we have been developing methods, disassembly methods and disassembly maps, and assessing products. So first of all, before we just redesign the whole thing, we actually assess the current products, and then we actually find out what is a good strategy for circularity. Is it also related to what we know within circular economy, that we want to minimize the use of resources and utilize it? So is it first of all slow the slope on the use of resources, or is it that we can close the loop of sending and recirculating the materials, or is it that we design for longevity so that we keep the products and materials in use for as long as it's possible? So on a broader scale, this project is also about changing the mindset of the designers, changing the mindset when we select materials for our products, and also design for a future where there is no waste, where we're actually thinking the resources that we use, how they can be reused after the end of a product's lifetime. So this is something that we can scale up and actually be out and develop when we're developing these methods. The next step is design for robotic disassembly. That's at least one of the things that we are working with. Because if we are to disassemble products, should it be manually, or could we actually also program the robots to do it? So this is actually something that we're looking forward to work with in the future, design for robotic disassembly.